Does your voice ever sound weak, airy, or just not as clear as you want? That could mean that your vocal cords aren't fully closing when you sing. But don't worry, today I've got the perfect solution. In this video, I'll guide you through powerful vocal cord closure exercises to help you get a cleaner, stronger sound. No more breathiness, no more struggle. Let's get started. The first exercise is going to target your onset of sound. This is the relationship between your breath and your vocal cords. The exercise goes like this. E, A, A, O, U. That was a demonstration of a balanced onset of sound. A breathy or aspirated onset would sound like this. He, he, ha, ho, hu. In this example, my vocal cords weren't connecting properly, resulting in a breathy tone. Here is an example of a hard glottal attack of onset. E, A, O, U. This onset of sound is also not ideal because the excessive air pressure and glottal attack is quite taxing on your vocal cords, which will result in tension and fatigue. With the balanced onset, your vocal cords are gradually unzipping, resulting in a much smoother and balanced vocal tone. Let's begin in a lower range, suitable for basses, and gradually ascend for higher voice types. Take a breath in between each note to re-establish your vocal onset. E, A, A, O, U. 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 Exercise 2. Gug. This exercise will also help with vocal cord connection. Maintain a relaxed throat and don't force the notes as you sing higher. Here's a demonstration. We will start a little lower for you awesome basses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doing these exercises daily will improve your chord connection. If you're wanting to improve the strength of your voice, check out this workout.